Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be teaching you guys how to make Nsala soup, which is known as white soup. Yeah, this is another Igbo type of soup. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification. Now let's begin. So my ingredients are the sniper fish, what I'm using, the utazi leaf, dry utazi leaf, the yam which I'll be using as my thickener, my uziza, ugirobe, grinded pepper, my dry fish, my crayfish, then my Maggi. So the first thing I do is put the dry fish in hot water and salt, wash it and make it softer. Then that's it. After washing it and peeling it out, so I washed and peeled a little of it. Then that's my utazi leaf, washed with water and salt. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put my thickener, the yam, inside water, a little bit of water to cook it. So that's it inside the water, and then that's me checking if it was, soft enough, because I need it very soft. But from the looks of it, it's not yet done because I'm using a fork. You use a fork to check how soft it is. So if you put it and it breaks easily, like you put it and it goes out easily, then you know it's very soft. You know. So it's not yet soft. So then that's it later on. You see how it's looking now? It's very soft. So that's me bringing it out and put it in the plate, because that's what I'm gonna use for the soup. Don't mind the size, this is how I want mine. Then that's the yam already cooked soft, so I'm pounding it, because like I told you earlier, it's my thickener for the soup. So I'm pounding it, and it depends if you want to use a blender to blend yours, because the yam is already very soft. But when you use a blender, try not to make it watery. But I decided to use a mortar and a pestle, like the Igbo woman that I am. So that's me pounding it. Trust me, this is easy. It's better. So the next thing I do is put in my sniper fish in the pot, put in my Maggi, my pounded Maggi, and then I'll try to mix it in, the Maggi with the fish, because that's what I'm using to make the soup. So I put in water. So because it's a fish, I'm not gonna put in so much water, but it's actually a big soup too. So I'm just gonna put in water, a little bit above the fish. So I keep putting the water, like I told you earlier. It's a big soup. I'm trying not to pour in a lot of water, because if you cook the soup for a very long time, the fish tends to shred out, you know, because it's fish. So just a little bit above the fish would do, like I did. Yeah, just a little bit above the fish, like you can see. Then I cover the pot to cook. So because it's fish that I'm making, I'm gonna put in my thickener first, because like I told you earlier, if I allow the fish cook first before putting this, it's all gonna shred out. So the idea is to make the soup a little bit thick, sorry. So I put in my thickener, which is the yam. So that's the thickener, putting it inside there. So after then, I put in my crayfish. That's my crayfish inside. the thing beside the pot. Then the next thing is my uziza, my blended uziza, and my pepper. I'm practically putting all everything because you know it's fish, so so that everything can go in conjugate with the fish. Do you understand? So put in. So I still put in my that's my yam because I pounded some, and then these are the ones I did not pound. So this is going to help thicken the soup. So I did not pound everything with my mortar and pestle. So you just pound a little bit, and then because you know why making the soup you should have a little bit of yam. So that's my ugiri in inside there. Like I told you guys earlier, you see the fish is getting done. Like it's literally getting done. Do you understand? So yeah. So you just it's really good to have that yam. That's a little bit of yam in the Nsala soup there. So that's the food. That's the soup. So I'm putting in my mangala right now because it's almost done. That's me putting my mangala inside. That's my dry fish, which is also known as mangala. So then I'm putting a little bit of the utazi leaf. This utazi leaf is very bitter, but you just put a little bit of it in the soup. Then you cover the pot. So guys, this is the soup. As you can see the consistency, it is not watery. It's not watery. Trust me, this is not watery. This is thick. And you can see a little bit of the yams there. And you can see that my fish wasn't broken. It wasn't shredded so much. That's the soup. So that's it. That's the soup. The yams are there too. Yeah, that's the soup. So that's it, guys. That's the soup. So I hope you enjoyed. Trust me, this was very delicious. So delicious. Oh, I'm so glad I did this. So make sure to like, subscribe, turn on your post notification so that when I bring in beautiful videos, you would be aware of it. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you. Make sure to share too. Thank you. Bye.